Hello Canvify family, in this video we'll explore updating and deleting Canvify pages from Shopify. If you make any changes to your Canva design, you don't need to import and link it again in your store, you just need to update it. Here is how. I have used one of Canvify's ready-made Canva templates for the demo here. As you can see, this is a plain design and buttons don't work. So let's update the Canva design. I am adding a link to this button here. Let's also add an animation to the heading as well. Now, simply republish the changes from Canva by clicking this button. Come back to the Canvify app in your dashboard and find the page you imported. This was the Valentine's Day template, so I will open this. Click the Re-import page button, and Canvify will fetch all changes we made in the Canva design. Once done, just reload your Shopify store and all the changes we made in our design are updated instantly. Do not import a new version of the page every time you make a change on Canva. Always update the same page. Now let's talk about deletion. If you want to delete any of the imported pages and remove them from the store, there are two things you can do. You can either unpublish a page or delete it permanently. Let's try unpublishing first. I will unpublish this Valentine's Day page. Let's go to our theme editor and see what happened. Let me reload it. As you can see, unpublishing it removed it from the Shopify store, but it's still there in our Canvify app as a draft. We can go back and publish it anytime and it will go live again. Just make sure that when you publish it again, reconnect it to your page via theme editor. Now, if you were to take the other option and delete the page altogether, it will cease to exist even in the Canvify app. It also gets removed from any pages it was connected with. As you can see, my theme editor now shows a blank section. I need to delete this blank section from here as well. This is important. Whenever you delete a page, make sure you also get rid of the page section from its relevant page. That's it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support from the Canvify app.